the king of networking. I guess when you haven't missed a single major FinTech summit in the last 20 years, that's the name you get. Most people think networking is about charm, smiles, drinks. They're wrong. Networking is about systems, it's about logistics, precision. You see it in all the pictures. I'm smiling. I'm not happy, I'm networking. I'm creating a potential connection. Quantity leads to quality.
Cut! So, do you know why we really came to film you?
Maybe to see the king of networking. Networking?
Not exactly. We'd like you to try an AI personal networking assistant.
Hi, I'm Samantha. I'm connected to all 36,103 people at this summit. I know who you should meet and when they're free.
I don't need it, okay? Everyone's telling me empowering AI. No. Hey, hi, hey, hi.
Hey.
Hi, hey, hi. The first rule of any summit is presence. You have to spread your name. You need to make as many touch points as possible. I'm happy to connect. So people could remember you. The key is to find the right moment to engage. You don't want to interrupt a conversation, so you need to be like a predator, looking for his prey, and then you need to attack. Happy to connect.
I'm sorry, Samantha already scheduled a meeting with another potential partner. I recommend you try her.
But not attack, just to, you know, as a metaphor.
Samantha.
And you know, oh my God, this is David Winston. He's the #1 lead on my prospect binder, ready to go. Happy to connect, happy to connect, happy to connect. Sorry.
We wouldn't miss it for the world.
Hi, sir. Can I help you?
I'd be happy to offer my consulting services to your company.
I sold that 2 years ago. I'm an angel investor now.
Oh,
David? Samantha told me to meet you here.
stop filming me. For 20 years, I never missed a summit. I put all that effort into networking for one reason.
Hi, I'm Samantha. How can I assist you today?
How can you help me? I wanted to meet the right people. I run a 50-year-old family business. I wanted to make real connections. We are a consulting firm for only the local Asian markets. But when there are this many people, I know every trick, every regulator, every contact you need to succeed here. You also collect a lot of noise. And you think you can help me?
I found 3 perfect leads who are looking for someone exactly like you. The first is a founder who needs an experienced mentor. Shall I make the introduction?
They call me the king of networking.
Kenny?
But with Samantha,
Samantha set up meeting with you?
I'm becoming the king of anything. And that's much more powerful. Don't you think? She's okay, Samantha. I can't imagine a world without Samantha. Ah, Samantha. You should try it.